In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your auto loot settings here in the Division Resurgence. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to do is actually hit the little icon up in the top right corner to bring up this little menu that looks something like this, and then go into your settings by hitting the settings gear down in the bottom left corner of that menu. Inside your settings, you need to stay in the general tab up at the very top on this right hand sidebar, and once you're in here, just scroll down until you find auto loot. This is in the generic settings, just like so, and you're going to see this in here, and there's a bunch of different tabs on here that you can go ahead and customize what item the game is just going to pick up automatically, whether it's exotic, high-end, superior, specialized, standard, or even worn. You can have it auto pick all this stuff so that you can just go ahead and run over it and it'll collect it. Now, obviously, if you set it to only the exotic stuff, just like so, it's going to pick up higher tier items, so it doesn't pick up any unnecessary loot. But I like to say, if you're just starting off, go ahead and keep it from specialized up on. Once you start getting these higher tier items, you can go ahead and turn off like specialized, superior, and just keep high end and exotic on. But for now, this is a good start. From here, you just have to back out by hitting close up in the top left, and then hit the X up in the top right, and you return to normal. But that is it. That's the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.